In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add and customize text in CapCut step by step, so you can make your videos look more polished, more engaging, and much easier to follow. Whether you want simple captions, a title, a call out, or stylish on-screen text, CapCut makes it very easy once you know where to click. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple CapCut tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open your CapCut project and make sure your video is already on the timeline. Once you're inside the editor, look at the top left menu and click on Text. This is where all of CapCut's text tools are located, and it's the first step to adding anything written to your video. After that, you'll see different text options, including default text and sometimes other presets or templates, depending on your version of CapCut. Click and drag default text or any text preset you want to use and drop it directly onto the timeline above your video clip. This is important because the text needs to sit on top of your footage so it appears in the final edit. Once the text is on the timeline, you'll want to edit the actual words. You can do this by double-clicking the text directly in the preview screen or by selecting the text layer in the timeline. Then look for the text input box on the top right side of the screen and type in whatever you want the text to say. This could be a title, a subtitle, a name, a quote, or anything else you want to display on screen. After typing your text, you can begin customizing it so it fits the style of your video. On the right side menu, CapCut gives you options to change the font, size, color, and stroke. The font controls let you choose a style that matches your video vibe, whether you want something bold, clean, modern, or playful. The size setting helps you make the text bigger or smaller depending on how much screen space you want it to take up. The color option lets you match your brand or make the text stand out against the background. And the stroke setting is especially useful if your text needs to be easier to read over busy footage, because it adds an outline around the letters. If you want to make the text feel more dynamic, switch over to the Animation tab. This is where you can add entry and exit effects, so your text appears and disappears in a more professional way. For example, you can make the text fade in, bounce in, slide in, or exit with a smooth animation at the end. This small step can make a huge difference in how polished your edit looks. You can also adjust the timing of the text on the timeline, so it appears exactly when you want it to. If you want the text to stay on screen longer, simply drag the ends of the text layer to extend it. If you want it to appear for only a short moment, shorten the clip on the timeline. This gives you full control over how the text flows with the rest of your video. Once you've finished customizing everything, play the video back and check that the text looks clean, readable, and well-timed. If needed, go back and make small changes to the font, size, color, or animation until it feels right. That's really all there is to it. By following these steps, you can quickly add text in CapCut and make your videos look much more professional. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next CapCut editing tip. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.